Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and today we're going to do a video on how to assemble a pedestal for the new 2018 C8 Series OLED from LG. And to get started, you're going to need to take a few parts out of the box. You've got this long piece that's going to be the front of the pedestal. You've got this piece, which is going to be sort of the back of the pedestal, and then you also get a package of screws in the accessory pack, and you're going to use 3 of these for the initial portion that we're going to do here, and you're going to want a Phillips head screwdriver as well. So what you're going to want to do is take a piece of the styrofoam from the box. We used this piece, I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but we used this piece just to kind of prop it up and give you a little bit of grip, and then you're going to take the back portion here and flip it upside down so that you have these 3 spots on the bottom, and then you have kind of these little rubber pads on the bottom. You want them to look like this when you're getting this set up. And now here on the long part that's going to go on the front, there's a cutout. So you're going to want to make sure that you get this cutout over the lip of this portion of the pedestal, and there's 2 tabs, if you can see them here, that are going to lock into a couple spots, and I'll show you those. Those tabs are going to fit right into these spots right here on this portion of the pedestal. So you can see those cutouts there. So we'll set that down, and then it's important to remember that this cutout is going to go on top. This lip is going to fit inside of this little ridge here. So you want to get that on and sort of slide it down into place. And then you'll see you have 3 screw holes that line up right here at the top. And we're going to take 3 of our screws here and just put those in and get everything held in place. And once you have those kind of tightened down, and take this off and move the styrofoam. So that is what your finished product should look like. And then this portion is going to get attached from the TV. So we're going to cut here for a second, get the TV up on the table, and attach the pedestal the rest of the way. Okay, so now that we've got the bottom portion of the stand assembled here, we're going to put this into place. Now there's little notches all over the pedestal here. There's 4 to be exact, and then there are 4 little notches on the TV itself that those are going to fit into. So when you're lining them up, you kind of want to get the 2 on the middle portion lined up, and then everything else should just slide into place. And looks like everything is in. And then you have 4 screw holes here on the back that should line up. And we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver again and just put 4 more screws into those. And then on the bottom, where those other notches are, you get these 2 spots that'll line up, and you're going to put 1 more screw in each of those holes. There's one on the left and right. And once those are in, there's going to be a couple more pieces that you're going to add to the back here. We've got this plate. As you can see, it's got 4 tabs at the top, and then you've got these 2 kind of locking tabs on the sides there, and then a little cutout in the middle. The 4 tabs are going to go up, and they just fit into those notches there, and this will just snap into place. And then you've got your cable management piece here, which is labeled cable management, and that's going to fit right into that middle portion, and this is going to help hold your cables in place, and that just snaps in just like that. And that concludes the assembly of the pedestal. Thanks for watching, and make sure you guys stay tuned for all of our videos upcoming.